Hello guys, again. Today I'm gonna just chill and play some coding games. So the title is While True Learn. So this game basically gonna give you some gameplay that gonna teach you some coding. Well, I have played quite some minutes in the game, but I'm gonna start a new game anyway. We're gonna get past the tutorial. Alright, to become programmer, you must master your art of turning computer on, press and hold, do the rectangle. This is basically just turning off the computer. Alright, power. So this is a pretty interesting game because it teaches you how to code in visually. So well, it's kinda interesting for you to learn coding through game because it's fun. So that there's a dude coding and he get an error or bug. Pretty programmer stuff. Yeah, I would be him if I get many bucks. And look at the cat, and the cat actually turned to be a master of coding or engineering or stuff. And actually, the cat solved the bug. Wow! I would buy a same cake, the same cake if I could. I mean, this cat probably eat the whole patch of Stack Overflow in its tummy. Oh, meow, hey, what did you do? Did you do that? Holy zeros, if only I could understand what this cat has to say. Well, I guess we'll have to find out a way to recognize your speech, meow. And this is our goal, to basically make a cat speech recognition system. And we're basically gonna just Google it and search it on Cat Overflow and stuff. And just continue. Alright, nickname. I don't know, maybe zero. Or how to recognize my small speech. Recognizing animal speech. Hey everyone, can you believe my cat? The little devil has debugged my code again. He definitely has something to say, so I decided to make some sort of our system, algorithm, which would help me understand him, give me advice, like maybe. PS, I'm not insane, my mom had me test. Yeah. Well, from Dr. Calder, don't rush ahead of yourself. Making a device that will be able to detect the cat would be a nice start. You can work with video, sounds, etc. when the time is right. Hey, a couple of days ago, I've been reading about how expert system can be applied for detecting animals and writing chatbots. The newspaper was called Deep News. I'll be sending you in my copies once I'm done with that. Oh, this is the workspace. This is where programming and magic and bugs born to begin Dragon Expert system. This is the expert system right here. You just gonna connect the dots, and this is not really that hard. Expert system. Expert system does not compare colors. The color of the element is equal to the certain color. The element comes into the top output socket. So this game actually adapted from the real world system. Like it's basically a good education, a game to play. Expert system in the real world. Before the invention of self-learning algorithms, people use expert system. These algorithms try to use hard-coded comparison similar to human expert decision. Well, it worked terribly. And what amazing about this game is actually gonna provide you article or video that kinda explain you what this stuff about, which is just really cool. You're just gonna connect the daughter, red to red, and else just over the blue one, and test run is just gonna test it. Look at that, it automatically divided the parts. This is still the easy level, you know, the tutorial, I guess. Now the run is complete. Gonna continue. Hey, I've tried the expert system and it hardly make any sense. Scores are floating from left to right. Is that what the fuse is all about? All machine learning? Are you actually working there? Well, this is called visual programming, my fellow dude. Yes, this is how it's supposed to work. The expert system analyzes your data input from the camera and checks if there's a cut on them. No, it's not what machine learning is about. It will get hardcore soon enough. Well, I'm not very good at it. Apparently, when do I actually start wearing a card translator? Did I shoot my friend? Grandmaster your machine learning ninja skill first. Whoa, is it Naruto reference? I'm working as a freelancer and the amount of contract is crazy. I'll forward you do some jobs I don't have time for. It will help you get on your feet and earn some cat bucks as well. Check your mail now. Yes, you're still paying for the server though. Our hey zero, not advice. There are an auto help for each new technology, very convenient, alternate and zero. No need to thank me, but you probably want to check your passport. My cat 123. Well, this is the task tree, this is the map of progression in the game, vertical progression behind it for story quests, and horizontal basically for side quests, and icon color stand for different types, and yes. So it's pretty simple, maybe. So this is like our job, so our prefect with from Spanish school, applicants, good day, we're from public schools, from my exam have ended, the results are attached to letter. Could you process them and predict which of the students will be able to enter the MIT? We're just gonna take the job. Proceed. Actually, I'm not feeling that well today. So yeah, there will be some moment when I'm cough or some or nothing. Like it's not really in a good weather in my area, so I get some symptoms. Not that severe. So data. See this colorful geometric strip. They represent various kind of data, numbers, letter, element of images. In modern world, everything can be thrown to data, and machine learning is all about sorting and interpreting data. Alright, this is the course requirement. To install the goal in the game is to transfer data from the left part of the screen to the right. This part of the minimum amount of data that needs to be processed to complete the task. Okay, so this is still easy, I suppose. I'm just gonna connect it. This is set to green, and this is connected to the green output, and this is the blue, and we can use test run. And let the magic happen. And now the launch is complete. We can just release the system. It's pretty good, right? The cool thing is it actually teach you from the start of machine learning, so you won't get confused. If you want to learn some machine learning or programming, especially with Python, and it has some this kind of idle screen, which is cool. And also we're gonna buy this alloy because why not? We need some kind of oxygen supplier in our desk. This is just cat skin, hardware, notes, interesting stuff. We're gonna go to 3. Now this is the errors in database. From Spanish school again, errors in database. Hello, we have some errors in our questionnaires data. We can solve the problem by ourselves. Can you please fix it? Sure. Your efficiency is measured not just in money, but with medals too. Medal influences story progression while boosting your self-esteem at the same time. To get a medal, your sim has to meet the respective time limit and notch limit. Alright, it has to be kinda meet the expectation. You can improve your result later on. Alright, continue. So we get a new notes. Trash can in the game does not destroy elements. Important detail, no matter how many trash can you place, they will count for one node in the node limits. Well, in the real world, real data sets have a lot of errors. Filtering out errors is a very important skill for all data scientists. Yeah, we must filter out unnecessary data or errors. This is I believe I can use it like this. Set this to blue. connect it. The blue one will go to the trash can, and the other stuff will go to else. Alright, I guess that's all it. Just run it. 2 seconds, 1 second, and it's complete. Hooray! Time spent 20 seconds, not suit 2, occupancy accuracy 1%. Good, we're just gonna release our app and accept the dollar. Not bad. I'm gonna just see that it's actually icon right for the kind of purplish or violet. It's actually almost machine learning, which is the easy level. And now we haven't go into the green yet because it is the basic machine learning. Let's just proceed to the story. And from the Spanish school again, errors in database, hashtag 2. Hello, it's us again. We found some new types of errors meant by our users. Please update your program. It will be easier if you will use the previous version of the code. Proceed. Deep news. Non-neural artificial intelligence. Well, mankind has always been trying to create an artificial intelligence before the invention of neural network. People use expert systems. An expert system is a deterministic algorithm which reproduces decisions of the real person. An example is Eliza, the very first chatbot in the world. It was created in 1966 and talked with patient using questions similar to real psychotherapists. It worked horribly. So the first time I read about this, I'm kinda mind blown because I thought like chatbot AI system, you know, is made in the 2000 higher. I never thought you could make it in, especially in this year, 1966. But apparently they make it with this export system, and yeah, because it doesn't use the neural network, it doesn't work like ChatGPT or some other amazing stuff like Carter AI. It worked like horribly. Hello, I'm Eliza. Hi, Eliza. How are you today? Would you like to discuss? Just gonna continue. Hey, check this out. Custom notes are special notes containing your profile design themes. Alright, this is like my professional sim I made. With my scheme, double click, then drag it. So if you see it, this is dividing the red and blue and all the stuff. So if the red, it will go in the up, or the stuff it will go to other end. Sorry, I'm gonna coughing. Now if you gonna connect this one should output red, so we're gonna get this to the output stream. I'm gonna drag the trash can, and this one gonna go to the trash can. I believe that helped you it. And now the output is 100% accuracy. That's good, I guess. We're gonna just release it like usual and accept our good monies. And there's this wow, this sticky notes. Eliza, wordpress chatbot, so cute. Yeah, probably do the same thing if I knew Eliza. You know, guys, Eliza just remind me of Tekken 7. You know, the story of a system. Here it is. It's from random ML Fox or machine learning Fox. The story of expert system. 1965 can be considered a starting point for the work on creating an expert system. That year, scientists of Stanford Research Institute, Edward Feigenbaum and Bruce Buchanan, teamed up with Nobel laureate Joseph Dillerberg. I don't know how to process it, but I'm trying, and began working on a computer system designed to determine the molecular structure of chemical compounds. This is the story of expert system, the one that I know just make decision like humans do, and the algorithm is not very accurate. Ooh, we get this. cat skin, Viking helmet, meow meow, and it's 3,000 cat dollars. Unfortunately, I'm just down 1,300 something. So if you want to buy our cat skin, let's get to work.